In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer and how to customize exactly which marks you want to see. This is super helpful when you want to clean up spacing, fix paragraph breaks, or make sure your document formatting looks the way it should. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find the display settings for formatting marks. To show all formatting marks at once, go to View, then click Formatting Marks. As soon as you select it, LibreOffice Writer will display hidden symbols inside your document. For example, you may see a blue paragraph symbol. This symbol represents a hard return, which is created whenever you press the Enter key on your keyboard. You may also notice a centered blue dot. That dot represents a standard space, created by pressing the spacebar. These symbols can be really useful because they let you see exactly where spaces and line breaks are being used in your text. If you're working on a document and it starts to feel too cluttered, don't worry, LibreOffice gives you the option to show only the specific formatting symbols you want. To do that, go back to the top menu and choose Tools, then click Options. If you're on Windows, you can also press Alt plus F12 to open the Options window faster, and if you're using a Mac, go to LibreOffice, then Preferences. Once the Options window opens, look at the left-hand column and expand the LibreOffice Writer section. Then click Formatting Aids. On the right side, you'll see the Display Formatting section. This is where you can customize which marks appear in your document. You can check or uncheck individual boxes depending on what you want to see. For example, you can turn on paragraph end, hyphens, or spaces, and hide the ones you don't need. This is especially useful if you want to clean a workspace while still keeping the important formatting information visible. It gives you more control and helps you work faster, whether you're editing a report, a letter, or a longer document. When you're finished adjusting the settings, click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. Your formatting marks will now display based on the options you selected. And that's it. You now know how to show formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer and how to customize them for a better editing experience. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.